I had off from work today, and boy, did I take advantage of it. I finally set up something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but never had the time to research and do it. If you notice something in the bottom left corner of my apps, look at that, M1 Finance. I am finally getting into M1 Finance. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. It's just a little experiment, 350 bucks. Any earnings that I get from Mechanical Turk, Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is my side hustle, I'll probably allocate towards here because I'm very interested to see where it goes. So I wouldn't mind putting, 20 to 40 bucks every week or so into this thing and see how much it can grow. Been a lot of activity going in. So first of all, let's look at the initial. So the initial was 350. So I'm in activity right now. And we go to deposit here on the bottom. So you have the initial $350 invested. So as you can see, the value of the portfolio is at $5,026. I have hit the 5K milestone. I am so happy that this finally happened. It's been a long time coming. Initially, this whole portfolio was set up as an experiment. I was going to put a set amount of money in it and just let the dividends compound themselves because I was going to receive 30 or more dividends per month. And the idea is that it would compound very quickly no matter what the holdings are. But I've actually treated this portfolio as my live investing portfolio. Well, look at that. A gain of $203, 7.83% return. Absolutely awesome. The whole goal was about 4 to 6% in that area. So anything above that is absolutely exceeding expectations. At one point, it was up 9 to 10%. The market has corrected. What is up, everyone? Dividend Grinder here. All right, it's getting serious. So the long-term goals are coming into effect. Originally, I said I'm going to put 300 in every other week, which would coincide with the paycheck from my now new job, which I am so far loving. But I've decided that in a few months, like you'll see in August, I want some extra in there. So I've decided that for each Thursday, I'm going to be putting $150 into the portfolio. So if you're looking at the screen right now, you will notice I am on the funding page here. Can I zoom in anymore? There we go. Every single day is highlighted, which means I switched from a once a week funding schedule to every single day. And the way that you do it in M1 Finance is that you have to set up 5 weekly deposits. Just have read it here. So this is where we're at today. After 2 days of deposits, I'm up to $6,300, which, every day I have to remind myself that this portfolio started at $350. Now, let the good times roll. Look at the portfolio as it sits, up 14.48%. Just a fantastic rate of return right now. Do not adjust to your set. Your eyes do not deceive you. The daily dividend portfolio is at $12,000. I believe the last time I made a video, it was at roughly $9,100, $9,300, somewhere in that range. And if you follow me on Instagram, it's just dividend_underscore grinder. You'll know that this video was coming tonight. We have not only passed the $10,000 milestone, we have shredded right through it. And we have passed the $11,000 and the $12,000 milestone. Just an absolutely awesome day. This day might go down in infamy. Let me just say that today made me just go, oh, Jesus. I mean, God, my portfolio got absolutely annihilated today. Let's go to the 1 day. Does it actually show? Point is, that's not right. Because if we go down here, you'll see the new haircut it portfolio. This is awesome. It's nice and simple. Just Guggenheim, Gladstone, and the dividend aristocrats. But oh my Lord, would you look at those percentages? Good, which has been one of the namesakes, like common denominator, positive 6% in the red. And then Guggenheim, my beloved Guggenheim, down 16%. I am just getting annihilated. You see the title of the video, 500 share milestone. Look at that. We switched Gladstone Commercial Corp up to 70% of the portfolio. And as you can see right now, 502 shares of Gladstone Commercial Corp. Now, how is the aggressive dividend portfolio faring? Down 3%. I mean, the markets are just flat out choppy right now. They were starting to rally early this morning, and then Donnie Cheeto opens his mouth and says we need more tariffs on China. You know how that goes. The market hates any tariff talk at all, rightfully so. That's just idiotic. I'm not getting political here, but Jesus Christ, can you stop with the tariff talk? Yesterday I showed you that the true percentage, it was down like something very minuscule, 0.07 or something. So if we look at it today, down 0.15%, absolutely no big deal considering I'm never planning on selling, and this is strictly for dividend income. I'm not trying to hide. Obviously, my portfolio has taken a huge chunk of red ever since, you know, the market's been obviously in a bear market for quite some time. It's reversing today on when I'm recording this on December 26th. Who knows how long that's going to last, if it sustains at all. Where is the daily dividend portfolio? I know I sold it off previously. We have created a new one, and if you are a follower of my Instagram, which is just dividend_grinder, you knew this was coming. This video was coming. We have a new slice, monthly mania. It is its own pie. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the montage video. A deep, sincere thank you to all my viewers, all my subscribers, anyone who watches